Yeah, one of those dogs. Oh, yeah.
I've only been here a couple times. It's been 12 years. Over on by 81 to go to Taylor Company to buy guns.
There's the old courthouse, the now museum. That's where the 7 o'clock right.
I wasn't in it.
That's the way back.
That's where the lecture.
Yeah, let's go to
7 o'clock.
Here's where George Washington won his election. Lost one too.
We're going to do a presentation here on the way back from his office.
And you're all invited to vote for him. July 26th. It's 5 to 7 happy hour.
Yeah.
Is he paying for the whiskey?
Yeah, we got the Virginia Beer Museum with beer.
Okay, I was gonna say I don't vote.
You're not getting any free rum.
Oh, now come on! I'm not voting for free.
Nick is quicker.
For free.
Yeah, right.
And if it was Chicago, I'd be entitled to both a turkey and a ham.
Something right now.
This is the first time I voted for the ham second time.
That's fine, sorry.
This street is named after Admiral Boscawen. We got streets named after the heroes of Louisburg here. If you've ever read about Fortress Louisburg. So the heroes of that battle have names on these streets.